Story time. So this rig you see behind me, that's an M1070. They use that to haul the fucking tanks. And as you can see, it's in pieces. So the engine and transmission is designed to come out as a power unit, and to do that, you have to take the cab off, which is kind of a pain in the ass, but it's really not that bad because I don't have to do it. So you label everything, you unhook everything like so. And there you can see it, you got pieces of the bearing in the oil pan. And we do have a spare engine for it. And we use this thing for our off-road heavy haul. So there you can get a whole view of it. And there it is, tires have auto inflation. We've modified the airbags to work on switches. We've added a fifth wheel with a slide and ramps. And that way it can accept a regular trailer. And here's a replacement engine, an 8V92. This is an old mechanical. The one that was in that truck, I think, was a D-deck electronic. We're hoping we can make it work. And when you're making money, it costs a lot of money to make money.